Welcome to our channel. If you need to add a checked bag to your American Airlines booking, follow these step-by-step instructions to prepay for your luggage and avoid higher fees at the airport. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the American Airlines website. Log in to your AAdvantage account or access your booking using your confirmation code and last name. Step 2. Navigate to My Trips to view your upcoming flights. Step 3. Select the flight for which you want to add a checked bag. Step 4. Click Add Bags or Manage Bags to see your baggage options. Step 5. Choose the number of bags you want to check. American Airlines allows you to add up to 10 bags per person, depending on your fare class. Step 6. Review the baggage fees, which vary based on your destination and fare type. Prepaying online is usually cheaper than paying at the airport. Step 7. Enter your payment information and confirm the purchase. Step 8. Check your email for a confirmation of your baggage purchase. Bring this confirmation with you to the airport when you check in. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.